dodge this. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPTV HQ. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPTV HQ. Look at that. Almost had you guys going. You're like, Dave is losing it, but I'm not. But I am so excited to share this episode with you. This one is all about, okay, wait, hold on. Another episode of Raw 365, where we get real authentic and sometimes a bit weird, hence the, Groundhog Day, the loop. Kind of like you're in this movie that has like code going, and not Wayne's World either. But that was cute when they did that. So, oh my gosh, I'm so pumped about this episode. So today's episode is talking about my favorite movie scene and why. It's one of many favorite movie scenes, but it is my first scene that I thought of for today's topic that was like, not a dry snap. It was like a knee-jerk reaction, okay? And it is literally the scene in the movie, the original Matrix movie, with Trinity telling Agent Smith to dodge this. It's like the gun is like right there, like that whole angle. I'm just gonna come out and say it, but like that was like bad applesauce, Squidward, bad $sign. Yeah, that's what it was. It was so freaking amazing. Like it was just wow. Like wow. It really drove the point home. Like you had a gun, like bang, like pointed right at your head, except you're in the movie theater. That was like, and that's absolutely like that whole period of that movie is epic. But that one scene, that's the shiznits for reals. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. Yes. What about you guys? What do you guys like? Share one of your favorite movie scenes downstairs in the kilt zone. The kilt zone. And face scratch. Never touch your face on video, but oops, I just did. My badness. So that's it. Let's wrap it up. Oh, another snap. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPTV with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real authentic and at times a bit weird. If you're subscribing on YouTube, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit the bell for notifications. Remember, sharing is caring. Give it a thumb. I'm telling you, like that. I'm giving you like that, like call to action, a CTA. Give it a thumb. Yeah. Tweak the algorithm. And then we're on all the other platforms, like give it a thumb or heart. Oh, and then, sharing is caring. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And until next time, remember to do one thing and one thing properly. Dodge this. No, I'm just kidding. Stay I almost messed it up. Sorry, Pope. Sorry, brah. Almost missed. Stay caffeinated, and I'll see you soon. Or like old school, soon. I thought of that the other day when I was thinking about the old videos I was doing with Bob. Bob's not here. I wish he was. Okay, that's all I gotta go. Okay, bye. See you later. APTV.